Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF on your iPhone running iOS 18. This is a super useful feature for quickly making changes to PDF documents without needing a computer or third-party apps. Let's get started. First, open the Files app on your iPhone and locate the PDF file you want to edit. Tap on the file to open it and then tap the Edit button at the top of the screen. Take note, however, that this feature may not be available for iPhones like iPhone 11 or lower, as it may only be available for iPhone 15 and higher. If you need to remove an existing content, simply tap on it, delete, and replace it with your new text. To highlight specific text, select it and then tap the paint icon in the toolbar. You can change the text color and apply highlights to make important sections stand out. However, for iPhone models that are iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, and below, you can simply click on this plus icon right here. And then here you can find Add Text Form Box and Add Signature if you need these tools. If you need to highlight some of the texts, you can click on this pen-like icon. And then here you can find tools like pencil, pens, erasers, and highlighters. For example, you want to highlight a text, you simply just have to click on this highlighter right here and then choose the color that you need. For example, I'm going to use the color pink to highlight the title, and then that's it. You've successfully edited a PDF directly on your iPhone. Like I said, some features may not be available for iPhone 13 and below, but if you have iPhone 15 and higher models, you may have a lot more features that you can find on your files. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.